AI is not going to replace the Hollywood VFX artist, but this is good enough to make these stunning visual effects for a non-technical person. Imagine with a zero technical knowledge, you can create this level of stunning visual effects with almost zero production budget. So in this video, I'm going to go over all of different techniques and prompts that you can use to achieve these amazing results. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So we're going to go from simple to pro level techniques, and the platform we're going to use today is the Hailuo AI. And if I just go ahead to the video section, these are all of different outputs that I have been testing. So starting with this simple video where a yacht is just moving in the ocean, there's nothing special in it. And then we're going to take a screenshot of the frame where we want to make changes. And once we have it, we're going to head back to the Hailuo AI, upload your screenshot, and I'm going to paste this lengthy prompt. We have a lot of different details in it if you want to take this screenshot, and if you want to use the same exact prompt, well, you can also make the changes to the prompt. You don't need to paste this exactly, but if you want to get inspiration, you can take a screenshot of it. And from the video section, we have multiple different models. We have Hailuo 2.3, Veo 3.1. We have all of their previous models, but let's continue with the Hailuo 2.3 and then hit generate. And this is the output. The shark suddenly appears from nowhere, the water splashes, everything looks really good. I'm not saying this is perfect, but for a non-technical person and a normal viewer, this is more than enough. Next up, we have this video where the person is just snapping with his finger, and again we're gonna upload the screenshot. And this time I'm going to use this prompt. You can take a screenshot of it, and after hitting the generate button, here are the results. And this was much more difficult shot because we are making changes to a specific part of the body and the AI doesn't have any information. This thing is very easy with the first frame and the last frame feature, but with the prompting, it's very difficult, but it pulled out really well. Obviously, you're not going to get your desired results in the very first output. You have to test different outputs. You might get some errors, but the final results will be satisfying. Next, we have this chaos video everybody's running. Here is the prompt that I'm using, and here is the before and after. The spaceship suddenly appears from background, and this is with the prompting. And with prompting, we are definitely very limited. So let's move on to the first frame and last frame technique. So in this case, we're going to upload the image to the Nano Banana. By the way, it also supports the Nano Banana Pro. So we're going to simply upload the image and we're going to ask it to make some changes, like a black spider is on her face and she looks scared. And then the Nano Banana will give you the images like this one. And now we're gonna upload the first frame image and then the last frame. And then if we give it a prompt like this, you'll have the output like this. And as we mentioned in the prompt, make spider start to crawl from her shirt to her face and she looks scared, and here is the output. And this is the benefit of first frame and the last frame feature. Now let me show you some more crazy examples. I uploaded this close-up of her mouth, and then I asked Nano Banana to add the cockroach in this image, and then I uploaded first frame and the last frame with the prompt entering his mouth. Here are the results, and it gets really wild, very creepy, but yeah, you can also achieve these kind of results using Nano Banana and Hailuo AI. You can also play around with different elements. For example, we have this image of an elf woman, and then I asked Nano Banana to turn this into the stone, and I prompted make her stone. She's screaming and touching her face, and this is the output. You can see these are different outputs, and again using the first frame and the last frame technique, here is the output. And now she's turning into the stone, she's touching her face, and it looks very natural. And imagine, to create these kind of visual effects manually, you need to have a very technical knowledge, and VFX artists charge a lot of money for that, but with the AI you can just do it with some prompts. Then I wanted something more crazy. For example, this is the simple video, simple close-up of his eyes. So I took a screenshot of his eyes and then uploaded to the Nano Banana and asked the Nano Banana to add AI VFX text with the veins, and this was the output. And by animating both of them, the results were crazy. So this is how powerful the first frame and the last frame feature is. These are some of the use cases, these are some of the scenarios that what is possible with the AI, and these results are just crazy. And using these VFX, you can create some movie sequences with VFX in it. That's all up to you. And Hailuo AI is the only platform that offers you the unlimited AI video and image generation under one subscription. So you get all of the leading models like Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 for unlimited usage under their max subscription. So if you are a creator and working on any project, this is the best platform to go with. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.